Hey friends, in this video I'll talk about sum of arithmetic progression. In the last video we have seen that how we can find out this sequence that is written over here. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D up to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is an arithmetic sequence. So in this video I'll find the sum of the sequence. So let us write the sequence something like this. Sum Sn equals to, that is the sum of the sequence, is equals to A plus A plus D plus A plus 2D, and let's say up till A plus N minus 1 into D. Now we'll again write this Sn but in the reverse order. So how can we write it over here is we can write it something like this: A plus N minus 1 into D. Again we'll add up with A plus N minus 2 into D, A plus N minus 3 into D, up till we'll go to A over there at the last. So I hope ये चीज़ समझ में आ रहा होगा कि A plus N minus D, ये इसके बाद हमारे पास ये है A plus N minus 2D and so on, something like this. Now we are going to add this explicitly. Now adding this 2 gives 2Sn over there. Now this will give as 2A. A plus A will give 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Clear? Now again, if I add this 2, that is A plus D and A plus N minus 2D, A plus A will give me 2A, and N minus 2 into D plus D will obviously give me as N minus 1 into D. Right? Now again, A plus 2D and here A plus N minus 3 into D also give us 2A plus N minus 1 into D, and till the last one also gave us as 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So if we just make the bracket to make this more clear, then we can see that every sum gives us as 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Right? Now this 2A plus N minus 1 into D, ये कितने बार है? How many times it is there over there? Yeah, over here. It is, we have just added 2A plus N minus 1 to D n times. As you can see, there are n number of terms, Sn, that is n number of terms. So we have just added 2A plus N minus 1 to D n times. So we can write as n multiplied by 2A N minus 1 into D. That means same as adding n times 2n minus 1 to D. Right? Now in the left hand side we have 2 into Sn. Now Sn, that is the sum of n terms in this arithmetic progression, will be equals to n into 2A plus N minus 1 into D by 2. So that is the sum, that is actually the formula of how to find the sum of the arithmetic progression. We can find it like this. Now we have another form too. यहाँ पर ये एक फॉर्म है, that is ये एक formula है. Let's say it is F1, that is the form 1. Now we can boils down into some other form too. Let's go the next slide and see it. Sn equals to n by 2, let's say, into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Right? Now what we can write it over here is we can write n by 2, and 2A can be written as A plus A, and the rest N minus 1 into D. Now as we know from our last video, that is An, that is the nth term, is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is the last term, or the nth term, you can say. This is our nth term. This is our nth term. So what we can write it over here is a n by 2 into A plus, as you can see that A plus N minus 1 into N minus 1 to D can be written as an. that is the nth term. So this is our next form, that is Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus an, or you can write it as n into a plus an by 2, as you wish. You can write it like this too. So ये दो form, that is the form 2, let's say f2, the form 2. So we have two forms as we have seen. This is the form 1, that is n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d by 2, that is the form 1, and form 2 is n into a plus an by 2. With the help of this two sum or the formula, we can find the sum of the arithmetic progression, any sum of the arithmetic progression. So let's take a short example. So let's take an example something like this: 3, 7, 11, 15. So this is an arithmetic progression where my first term is 3, that is a is 3, and as you can see that our common difference is 4. Apart from that, we don't know number of terms. So let's give there are, let's say, 10. We have to find 10 terms. 10 terms, that is sum of the 10 terms of this series. That is, this is the first term, this is the second term, and so on up till 10 terms of the series. So how we can find it? By using the first formula over there, we can find it something like this: Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So exactly what we have to find? We have to find S10, because we have to find the sum of just first 10 series, first 10 terms of the series. Now n is 10, 10 by 2, 2 into a is 3, and n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9, into d is 4. So by calculating, we can easily find the sum of the sequence. So you can calculate this one and get the sum of the sequence. So this is one of the example by which we can, in which we have seen that how we can find the sum of the arithmetic progression. So in the further videos, we will come up with more questions on this particular part. If you have doubt in this particular video, then you can comment down below, and thanks for watching.